Her ass out, she going places that you can't. Call up a hoes and told them bring them out the sleigh. Fall, touch your toes, then I'm throwing 50K. Splash brothers, whoa, we just landed in the bay.
Look at the way that I be pushing in that Hellcat. I was jumping out the gym in Nike Air Max. 3 bad bitches in the coupe sliding down Fairfax. Bitch, I been getting to this money, I can't dare cap.
What up, people? Now, like I told you about the gliders, right? Remember I was telling you about all the gliders at my mechanics? So check out all these Peterbilts. Check out all these 2020 gliders. You will not see 2021 gliders. So basically, I call it Peterbilt. They confirmed the story. My mechanic said it's not this year. It was the last year to order gliders. It was last year. It was the last year to order gliders to get 2020s this year. Now look at all these gliders all over his yard. This is half his yard. He's got way more yard than this, but just check it out and enjoy. There is my boy, Green Lantern. When everybody hears about Green Lantern, that's my boy Green Lantern who's with me. So I brought him over to show these trucks. Look at the glider that's in the shop right now. Look at the glider that's in the shop. A 6-axle truck that's in the shop right now. So what is a glider? Everybody says, SocaL. What's a glider? A glider, you call up Peterbilt, Kenworth, whoever the hell you want, Freightliner, Volvo, whatever. You order a brand new truck with no engine, no transmission, and you put your own engine and transmission in the truck. And that is what a glider is. So they're brand new trucks with your engine. Enjoy, guys.